Self-confidence is a feeling. We tend to feel most confident when we look good, feel accomplished, and feel supported. It can be difficult to act confident when you don't feel it. Luckily, there are many things you can do to elevate how you feel about yourself, which in turn will improve your self-esteem. Here are 10 easy tricks to boost your confidence. Number 1. Take care of yourself. Good health depends on a combination of physical, emotional, and social factors. If you are unhappy with your appearance or have low energy, it is hard to feel good about yourself. Be sure to exercise, eat well, and sleep well. Dress the way you want to feel as well. In order to build your self-confidence, take care of your own needs. Number 2. Visualize yourself as you want to be. Our self-image is so important to us, often more than we realize. In our minds, we have a picture of ourselves, and this determines how confident we feel. When we lack self-confidence, our perception of ourselves is often inaccurate. Using visualization, you can envision yourself in your own mind in a way that you are proud of. So try it. Number 3. Improve your posture. The way you stand with your chest out and shoulders back screams confidence and can even trick you into feeling more confident. Standing tall with your chest out and shoulders back is incredibly confident, and it can even trick you into feeling more confident. Imagine a string coming out of your head pulling you straight up. In addition to looking taller and broader, this will also make you feel more confident. Number 4. Affirm yourself. As humans, we tend to behave according to our own self-image. It is essential to change how you see yourself in order to make lasting changes. We believe what we tell ourselves constantly, and affirmations are positive and uplifting statements that we tell ourselves constantly. When you look in the mirror, practice saying something you appreciate or like about yourself. For example, if you don't like something about your appearance. Number 5. Put in the work. Whenever you don't think you'll do well in something, it's hard to be confident. You need to prepare yourself as much as possible to overcome that feeling. Whether it's public speaking, a road test, or something else entirely, you need to know what you're doing and how you're going to do it. If you want to be confident, you must practice it. Nobody feels confident doing something for the first time, the 10th time, or even the 100th time. Number 6. Redefine fear and failure. Your relationship with fear and failure can hold you back and cause your self-confidence to plummet. Changing the way you think about fear and failure can help prevent this from happening. By doing so, fear and failure become tools for progression, rather than reasons not to do something. Try to see fear as an opportunity to progress and failure as an opportunity to get valuable feedback on what needs to be worked on. Number 7. Empower yourself with knowledge. It is essential for you to empower yourself in order to build self-confidence. You can do this in a variety of ways, but one of the best ways is by gaining knowledge. Knowledge makes you more confident, and knowledge is gained through study and research. It is possible to find information on the internet, read books and magazines, or take courses. You can also learn from others who have achieved what you desire. Number 8. Shift to an equality mentality. Those with low self-confidence tend to see others as more qualified or more deserving than themselves. Think of yourself as being equal to everyone else. They are not better or more deserving than you. You will automatically improve your confidence if you adopt an equality mentality. Number 9. Embody Confidence. If you ever find yourself challenged by something out of your comfort zone, whether intentionally chosen or unexpected, pause for a minute. Picture a scenario when you felt sure of yourself and secure. Recollect that experience with all your senses to transport you back to it. Doing this will help you recreate the same feeling in the now. Alternatively, ponder how an authoritative individual would handle the present circumstances and copy their behavior. You'll be surprised how quickly this will make you feel empowered and capable. Number 10. Smile. It's no secret social interaction has a powerful effect on our moods. You may have heard it 1,000 times, but it really is true. When we receive positive feedback from those around us, it can make us feel happier and more confident. Even just a small smile to yourself can alter your outlook in an instant. That being said, confidence plays a major role in our ability to fulfill our goals and dreams. It affects how we think, communicate, and carry ourselves, so why not take advantage of the simple act of smiling? Just by doing that one small thing, you can begin to make strides towards the life you want. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more video like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our order videos as well. Thanks for watching.